Degrees of comparison. Objective: by the end of the video, you should be able to A. State and explain degrees of comparison. Adjectives express qualities of nouns. To express quality of one noun, we use an adjective in its original form. But to express same quality of more than one noun, we compare the nouns. Adjectives change their forms when comparing more than one noun. Degree of comparison is variation of the adjective to express quality of nouns at different levels, that is one noun level, two noun level or more. There are 3 degrees of comparison. These are the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. 1. The positive degree. This is the original form of an adjective. It is used to describe one noun. 2. The comparative degree. This is used to compare two nouns of same qualities. It is formed by adding er to the adjective. 3. The superlative degree. This is used to compare more than two nouns of same qualities. It is formed by adding est to the adjective. These degrees of comparison only apply to common descriptive adjectives. Rules of forming comparative and superlative forms. 1. Regular adjectives. These are adjectives that form their comparatives by taking er at the end. And they form their superlatives by taking est at the end. For adjectives ending in e, just add r to form their comparatives. And st to form their superlatives. Examples: brave. Comparative, braver. Superlative, bravest. For single-syllable adjective ending in a consonant, preceded by a short vowel, double the last consonant before adding er to form its comparative and est to form its superlative. Examples: hot. Comparative, hotter. Superlative, hottest. For adjective ending in y, preceded by a consonant, change the y to I before adding er to form its comparative and est to form its superlative. Examples: happy. Comparative, happier. Superlative, happiest. For polysyllabic adjectives, meaning adjectives with more than 2 syllables which are not ending in y, put more before the adjectives to form their comparatives and most to form its superlatives. Examples: beautiful. Comparative, more beautiful. Superlative, most beautiful. Ignorant. Comparative, more ignorant. Superlative, most ignorant. For single-syllable adjective ending in a consonant, preceded by another consonant, add er to form its comparative and est to form its superlative. Examples: dark. Comparative, darker. Superlative, darkest. Fast. Comparative, faster. Superlative, fastest. For single-syllable adjective ending in a consonant, preceded by a long vowel, add er to form its comparative and est to form its superlative. Examples: weak. Comparative, weaker. Superlative, weakest. Neat. Comparative, neater. Superlative, neatest. That's it on regular adjectives. 2. Irregular adjectives. Irregular adjectives are adjectives that do not follow the standard rule of adding er, or more, and est, or most, to form their comparatives and superlatives. An adjective becomes a new word in its comparative and superlative forms. Examples: a. Good. Comparative, better. Superlative, best. b. Bad. Comparative, worse. Superlative, worst. c. Little. Comparative, less. Superlative, least. d. Far. Comparative, farther. Superlative, farthest. e. Many. Comparative, more. Superlative, most. 3. Non-gradable adjectives. Some adjectives cannot be graded according to the degrees of comparison. These adjectives do not have comparative and superlative forms. Examples: dead. Someone or something is either dead or alive. It cannot be more or less dead. Married. Someone is either married or not. He or she cannot be more or less married. Other examples of non-gradable adjectives: perfect. Complete. Senior. Unique. Empty. correct, pregnant, final, full, junior, etc. Now, to summarize the topic. We said there are 3 degrees of comparison. 1. The positive degree, original form of the adjective used to describe one noun. 2. The comparative degree, used to compare 2 nouns. 3. The superlative degree, used to compare more than 2 nouns. When forming comparative and superlative forms of adjectives, have in mind 1. Regular adjectives have standard rules. 2. Irregular adjectives need to be memorized because they have unique forms. 3. Non-gradable adjectives do not have comparative or superlative forms. For more of such content, subscribe to Learn English with Ibrahim on YouTube.